Okay, now I want you to watch this. Right there at that blue car, there is a little tiny girl that is working in the auto department of Walmart, which that is really cool because every once in a while you'll see a female in there and they're usually pretty much real hot dog. It's really kind of cool. I wanted you to see this girl is really tiny though. Watch her. Here she comes. It's a little bitty thing. She's working on one side. She's doing a set of tires, it looks like. See, just a little bitty. That's pretty neat. So if you like cars and you like to do light work like tires or rotation or getting an oil change or something like that at your local Walmart, don't be surprised to see a female there, and don't be surprised to ask for the job because it's accepted. I had talked to a GM in Walmart one time, and they said, "Oh, you want to work in auto department?" I said, "Yes, I'd like to work on the desk or manager of auto." "Oh, you want to do tires?" I said, "No." "But they won't hesitate to hire you." So definitely check it out if it's something that you're into, because they will hire women. See how little she is? Little tiny little girl. Pretty cool, huh?